The Supreme Court of the United States has upheld an Oregon city's law that bans homeless people from sleeping or camping on public property. That reverses a Court of Appeals ruling that said the laws were, quote, cruel and unusual. Now, city leaders in Albuquerque are weighing in on how this might affect the city's handling of the homeless population here. News 13's Natalie Wattis is live at Central and Broadway with details.
I spoke with several city councilors who had mixed reactions about how this would affect enforcement of our city's trespassing laws.
I have mixed feelings. On the plus side, it clears ambiguity. It allows the cities to create their own policies to address the issues. I think that's a good thing. Simultaneously, it opens up the door to criminalize homelessness, and that doesn't help anyone.
The United States Supreme Court reversed the decision of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals concerning a policy on encampments on public property in Grants Pass, Oregon. While the appeals court ruled citations for those camps violated citizens' Eighth Amendment right to be free from cruel and unusual punishment, the Supreme Court decision holds that the city can enforce their law. So, what does this mean for Albuquerque? City Council President Dan Lewis told News 13 on the phone.
Well, we didn't need a Supreme Court decision to enforce our own city laws. And so the mayor has used this as an excuse for a lot of years. And, it's time to enforce our own laws.
City Councilor Renee Grout declined an interview, but also told News 13 over the phone that she's glad the Supreme Court ruled this way, that our parks need to be safe. She says our city has plenty of options for people dealing with homelessness. But across town, another councilor disagrees.
We say we're offering shelters, beds, and storage, but I know from stopping at encampments in my district just to see how we're doing it, that that's not always the case.
Rogers also worries this decision will spur more punitive actions from city leaders. According to the city, they respond to 50 illegal camps every day. Albuquerque Mayor Tim Keller said in a statement in part, quote, "The city will continue to do everything in our power to get people the help they need and to deal promptly with illegal encampments."
We have to find a balance between, do we need to enforce our laws? Yes. I definitely, the answer is yes, but in a humane way, especially with our unsheltered.
We have to be compassionate. I mean, these are people. Simultaneously, we have to be able to protect our communities. I'd hate to lose another grocery store and pharmacy, and we need to help folks.
City councilors say they hope this issue is taken up in the special session next month. Back to you.
All right, Natalie, thank you. The ACLU of New Mexico also commented on the ruling, saying in part, arresting our way out of homelessness is not a viable strategy. We have their full statement and the statement from the mayor's office. Just go to krqe.com.